What if I told you the drone you're dreaming of buying right now might already be obsolete? Has changed everything. I've tested hundreds of drones, from pocket-sized wonders to professional beasts that can see through trees. Okay, maybe not through trees, but trust me, you'll be surprised. Some of these will make you say wow. One of them will make you say how. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which drone deserves your money. Let's fly into the top 5 best drones of. Starting at number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. DJI's Mini 4 Pro can do it all at a very reasonable price. It has an excellent onboard camera with a 1/1.3-inch sensor, 24mm f/1.7 lens, support for 4K 100 frames per second video with D-Log-M, HLG and HDR capture, and up to 48MP still photography. Endurance is around 45 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Plus battery, and it can fly up to 12.4 miles away in unobstructed terrain, all while transmitting a 1080p 60 frames per second signal to your controller. It has multiple subject tracking modes, so it's ideal for vlogging, and obstacle detection sensors on all sides help keep it out of danger. On top of that, it weighs less than 249 grams, so it's exempt from licensing requirements in most regions. Best of all, and I can't say this enough, it's priced reasonably, and even the basic kit comes with an RC and 2 smartphone controller. Number 2. Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus. If you prefer to not buy DJI drones due to the very reasonable risk that they may soon disappear from the US market, I'd recommend Autel. That company is based in China as well, but some of its drones are made in the US, and it isn't on any sanctions lists. Autel's Robotics Evo Lite Plus has similar autonomous and obstacle detection features to the DJI Air 3S, while adding higher resolution 6K video and a 1-inch sensor, though it lacks a secondary camera. Battery life is a very solid 40 minutes, and it has a maximum range of 7.5 miles with no obstacles. Number 3. DJI Flip. DJI's $439 Flip has a clever, user-friendly design, with all 4 propellers folding down and stacking below the body like some kind of Star Wars spacecraft. This helps protect the propellers to limit damage or injury in case of a collision. That people-safe design lets creators take high-quality 4K 60p video indoors with D-Log-M, HLG, and HDR, even with dim lighting, thanks to the relatively large 1/1.3-inch sensor. Though the light weight allows you to fly it without a permit, the large surface and slowish speeds means it's not ideal outdoors in windy conditions. And though the Flip offers sophisticated subject tracking modes, it has limited obstacle detection when that function is enabled. Still, it's a powerful drone with up to a 10-mile range that offers a lot of functionality for the price. Number 4. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. DJI's Mavic 3 Pro is the best cinema drone if budget is no object, thanks to the Hasselblad 4/3 primary camera with full D-Log capture, up to 4K 120 frames per second, that allows for excellent picture quality in most conditions. It also carries both 3x and 7x telephoto cameras that work well not just for creative content capture, but also things like wildlife spotting and search and rescue. Battery life is excellent at 43 minutes and range is a respectable 9.3 miles. Naturally, it has all of DJI's ActiveTrack subject tracking features and is covered with obstacle detection sensors on all sides. Number 5. DJI Air 3S. The DJI Air 3S has a unique dual-camera setup that allows you to capture many types of shots. The 50-megapixel, 1-inch sensor-wide camera with a 24mm f/1.8 lens supports 4K recording up to 120 frames per second and 1080p at 240 frames per second, along with D-Log-M to improve dynamic range. The secondary 70mm 3x zoom camera has a still decent 1.3-inch sensor and supports the same video specs and color modes as the primary. Battery life is ample at 45 minutes, and the Air 3S can sense obstacles in all directions. The addition of a forward-facing LiDAR sensor aids detection in low light, making the ActiveTrack subject tracking feature more versatile. With its high speeds up to 45 miles per hour, the Air 3S can be used in windy conditions and can range as far as 12.5 miles away. It has 45 gigabytes of internal storage as well, on top of a microSD slot. The basic kit is reasonably priced, but I'd recommend paying a bit more to get it in the Fly More kit with extra batteries. And there you have it, the 5 best drones ruling the skies. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first drone or a pro chasing cinematic shots, there's something here for you. Heads up, all the products I showed you today, with the best prices and links, are waiting for you in the video description below. Don't just fly blind, grab the links and check them out. If this video helped you save time and money, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with a friend who's obsessed with drones. Stay tuned, the next video will blow these drones out of the sky. This is your name signing off. Happy flying.